Okay, I bought this snowblower. It's called a snow thrower, but I call it a snowblower. I got this over a month ago, probably close to a month and a half ago. This winter hasn't been the most snowy winter, which I'm fine with. I'm not complaining at all. But this weekend we're getting a big snowstorm. When I say big snowstorm, some people that actually live in snowy places will be laughing at me. But we're supposed to get about 20 centimeters, which is not even a foot. So I haven't opened it yet. So I think I should open it because I'm actually eager to test it out. I don't like snow. If anyone knows me knows I don't like snow. But this is one of the times I actually will enjoy it because I will get to test it out. Did you know Sno Joe becomes Sno Joe? What? Okay, whatever. What I need to do, what I'm opening it up for, not to put together yet, because I can put that together really quickly. I'm taking it out now to find the battery because I think I should charge the battery. So when snow comes tomorrow, I can put it together quickly and the battery will be nice and charged. Then we'll test it out. And of course, my luck, the battery is all the way down at the bottom underneath all this. So I gotta take it all out of the box anyways. Okay, it's not a big thing. It's right there, but it's got a little bit of weight to it. And of course here is the battery. I know that because it feels pretty damn heavy. Take this in the house and let's charge it up. Charger and batteries and then some hardware to put the cables on or the handles on. It's a good sized battery. It's got some good weight to it. Here's a charging unit. Okay, so here's the battery charger. Here's the battery itself. It's freezing cold. Like I said, it's been in my garage there for about a month and a half, so it's pre-freezing cold. So what I'm gonna do, it just slides in like that, I think. Yeah. What I'm gonna do is let it just, before I plug it in, I'm just gonna, I don't know if it's good or bad for it, so I'm just gonna let it warm up or thaw off naturally, just within the house temperature, and let it just get normal. And then in a few hours, I'll plug it in and let it charge overnight, so I'm ready for it in the morning. Now when it comes out of the box, it comes folded up like this. You just have to put it together. It's not that hard. Just first of all, turn it around. Inside the battery pack comes these little hardware knobs to screw these in. They come together like that, threaded. You just got to take them apart like J-shaped hooks, and you have to screw it through there. Go to the other side now, like anything else. If you have a second person helping you, it's always easier to do these kind of installs or put togethers. But as you can see, I'm doing this by myself and I can do it. It can be done. It's just easier if you have a second person. Thread this on, you hand tight it. Let's do the same for both sides. Now these are, so when you're putting it away, you're storing it away, this can fold up for the summer. And then all these things here, they also unlatch here and here, and you can fold the handle just for the winter. And then when you find which position you want it in, you fold it down and the teeth just go down. Then you have it here. Battery pack goes in here. Then in those same hardware things comes these things. These go on this blower, this chute, and this just pivots the. Once again, you gotta take these out. This just pivots the snow in whichever direction you want it to go. So it simply goes in like this. You use both sides. Comes with a little washer, a little rubber grommet, like a washer of some sort. Goes in on this side. You fold it over. Do the same thing with this one. And then, once again, you tighten it by hand, or hand tight it with the little blue knobs. course, this is so you can adjust it as your, so you can adjust it up and down. It's a little handle here. Just pivots the snow, whichever direction you want to go in. Okay, we got the battery. It's all fully charged here. Turn it around, show you here. Okay, you open up the battery compartment here. Just a little door. The connectors are in here. You see little connectors that are down here. You just slide the battery in. It's got little tracks that it'll go in. You'll hear it click. And when you want to release it, bring it on this side here and show it to you. When you want to release it, there's a little light gray thing here that locks it in place. You just pull this up and you pull the battery out. Once again, you want to put it in, make a little click. This is a key. It's a safety key. It has to be in for it to run, I believe. Put it down. Turn around and show you this way. The handle. Here is your on switch right here on your right hand side. As you can see, it comes with a little light, a little LED light that you can adjust, and it pivots up and down, whichever way you want it. It just basically goes towards, I don't know how bright it is, it's light out so I can't really tell, but it goes towards the path of snow you're going to be going into. So then when you're ready to turn on, you press this blue button on the side here, and you pull the handle. You can hear it go. I don't know if you'll be able to see it here. I'll just show it to you indoors here. Press the button on the side, pull the handle back. Now you can use this to go left and right, so you don't have to move with your hand as you're going. Moving left and right. It's too bad there's not a switch here for the light to turn on. I mean, I guess it doesn't pull much power, but so you can move it to the right, move it to the left. And this is the handle if you want to carry it. You carry it by here, handle right here, right here, and this handle here, and then you can carry it. And it weighs about 40 or 50 pounds, maybe 30 pounds. And that's it. That's the quick little installation or setup. Now we're going to go out and test it out. Okay, this is going to be our first inaugural, can't even talk, it's so cold, inaugural attempt at snow blowing with the Sno Joe. It looks so small now that it's not in a house. So, press this blue button again on the side, move the handle up, turn it on, nice and quiet, and then you just push it. So far so good. You just have to adjust this, I think. Yeah, maybe put it like that. Give it a try. Okay, as you can see, we're finished up here. As you saw there, it probably lasted about 40 minutes. I was able to do my driveway, which is almost a double car driveway. It's basically a double car driveway. I did the sidewalk, and I did my neighbor's single car driveway. So it'll easily do a double car driveway of, as you saw there, it was probably about 6 inches of snow maybe. And if we check the battery pack here, and press this little button here, it tells you the state of the battery. Take my glove off first. Okay, press it, and it's one little dot. It's usually 4, and that tells, or I think 3. Sorry, 3. That's when it's full. That's when it's half full, and this probably when it needs to charge. And it was stopping, it was slowing down a little bit at the very end. So I think it's actually doesn't slow down, it just stops. So I think the battery needs charging. So after about 40 minutes and about 3.5 to 4 driveways, I'd say, single car driveways, I think I did a good job. It throws it very decently. If it's too heavy, what it just does, it just stops. It's very lightweight, which is good, but it can also be bad because with it being lightweight, it also hard to push, I guess, a little bit. It doesn't dig into the snow. You have to push it down. It isn't self-propelled. This model isn't self-propelled, so that's another issue. Not an issue, but it's good that it's light, so you can maneuver it all over the place very easily. And it's I think the biggest gripe, what I've been seeing people say on Amazon, and what I have to say too, and I'm a very short person, I'm only 5'3", but when I hold the handles here and I'm pushing it, it's pretty low down. It's not like high up here where you would expect it to get a little bit more leverage. It's a little low down. So if you're any taller than an averagely short person, you're gonna have a little trouble pushing this down. You're gonna be bending over, and like I said, a lot of people have been complaining about that on Amazon reviews, that it's the handle or the arm doesn't come out enough or come high enough, come up here maybe. Now I know you can adjust it here, like I said, I showed you here, but I don't know if that would make a huge difference. I lowered it a little bit just so I can get a little more leverage to get it lower on the ground, but you can tilt it by moving these things. I don't know if that would make it easier. I think that would just be a little more cumbersome. That's why I lowered it a little lower than, as you can see, straight. I tilted it here as opposed to like that. So that's my little review. It's not a little bad machine if you've got a little light work to do. The best part of it, one of the best pluses, is no smell of gas. Last few times I've been using my snowblower, you finish up and your clothes just stink of gasoline fumes and smell. And no noise. I don't have to wear earplugs or anything. I can do it, and it's whisper quiet. The only noise you make, only noise you hear, is the actual rotor blades in there throwing the snow and rotating. Very, very quiet. So it's good. I haven't tried it out in the winter. I haven't tried it out in the nighttime. I haven't tried it out with heavy snow. Today's snow was light. I suspect heavy snow might be a little more of an issue. But if I get some heavy snow later this winter, we'll check it out with that. Anyways, that's my little review of the little Sno Joe. Well, let me see what it is. It's, as you saw, I'll put the description and the title and everything. It's the 40 volt, 18-inch cordless snowblower by Sno Joe. Thanks for watching. Take care. So we're using the Sno Joe in this heavy, heavy rain. Not rain, ice rain. Almost like a heavy, wet snow. But it's like a layer of ice rain on top of it. And it's doing a pretty good job. I'm surprised. I thought it was only going to do like light snow. But it's doing a pretty decent job, as you can see what I've done already. Sometimes it stops, and you just have to back it up and let the chute, I guess, clear out, and then it keeps going. If you just keep your hand on the throttle as you do it. Here, I'll try to give you a demo of how, and it's throwing it pretty good. There's like not a lot of snow here. It's like maybe an inch, but it's throwing it pretty good. I'll show you.